Picture this. Every 11 seconds, cybercrime strikes a new victim. In a world where digital attacks grow more sophisticated each day, how can your organization, or even you personally, stand protected? Let's pull back the curtain on the 10 most critical cybersecurity tools changing the game, and learn not just what they are, but why they matter. First, consider endpoint protection. Tools like antivirus and endpoint detection and response platforms stand guard over every device, catching threats before they take hold. Next, firewalls and network security tools create the digital walls and sentries that scrutinize every packet, blocking unauthorized intrusions at the network edge. Then comes vulnerability scanning and management. These act like detectives, constantly searching for weak spots in your systems. By identifying and addressing vulnerabilities before attackers do, you close doors before they're even found. Enter SIEM, or Security Information and Event Management, and robust log analytics. These tools sift through mountains of data, finding patterns and signals that indicate suspicious activity, helping teams respond before problems spiral out of control. Intrusion detection and prevention systems act as security cameras and alarms within your network, detecting threats in real time and springing into action. Moving to identity and access management with multi-factor authentication. These are your digital gatekeepers, ensuring only the right people can access sensitive information and requiring extra proof to get in. Encryption and password management transform private data into unreadable code, protecting secrets from prying eyes. For web and email security, these solutions shield you from phishing, spam, and malicious sites, essential in an era dominated by social engineering attacks. Think backup and recovery as your safety net when all else fails. These tools help you restore lost data and get back online quickly. And finally, security awareness and training platforms empower your team to recognize and resist cyber threats, turning your biggest vulnerability into your greatest defense. Together, these 10 tools work like the critical organs of a living security system. Ignore even one, and you risk leaving your entire digital world exposed.